I just wanted to add in where this board might have potentially failed, and it might have been why they scrapped this entire thing. And if you look right up here, it's a resistor that is definitely being cooked, or been cooking for quite some time. Either way, it's not looking too hot, or maybe it's looking a little bit too hot. Ha ha ha, I'm hilarious. Anyways, yeah. Not necessarily the reason why this stopped working, but like I said, it's definitely not looking good. Yeah. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Sure that didn't smell too good. So yeah, that's one thing that I want to point out. When you have a circuit board that's not working properly, your best bet is that just to give the board a physical once over. Look at all the components, see if there's any obvious signs like that, because most of the time there is something obviously burnt like that, or like a capacitor that's blown up or something like that. You know, most of the time it's something obvious. You can see it, you can smell it. Yeah, so it's something that's not looking right, you know, it's something that's gone burnt up. And you know, when I'm diagnosing boards that aren't working, or boards that stopped working, or appliances that stopped working for whatever reason, that's the first thing I do, is I give the board a once over, because 9 times out of 10, the board's not working properly, I find something like that. Or it's a relay that stopped working, the contacts are stuck or something like that. A lot of times contacts on the relay is what goes, and if it's not that, then it's something that you can see, like a burnt out resistor or a burnt out trace. Alright, that's it. Just wanted to add that because I saw it. Alright, easy.